So it is like such an interesting mystery of where they
Yeah,
would find that's like a safe place for
yeah.
them or like to
But I
give
mean,
birth. Yeah.
question is the open ocean a safe place with all the fisheries around where we're trawling, for shrimp and everything and taking the whole basically ocean floor out? So I don't know if it's really more safe to do it on open ocean. However, I mean, what a possibility could be, and we would love to prove it somehow, is that we assume that where sharks might go a little bit deeper out of the range where most of the shark species are, so usually below 200 meters, where not many shark species are going, and they giving birth to their young there. And with the whale shark, you see the belly is very wide, and the family where the whale shark is in are more similar to carpet sharks. Like, not sure if you know the wobbegong from Indonesia, for example. That's the shark that lives on the bottom and basically feeds opportunistic. So if something comes
Mhm.
by, it would go out and get it. And maybe the whale sharks, has kind of a drawback behavior and maybe is like this the first couple of years until it has their, reserves in terms of fat and can protect itself. So that could
Right.
be a possibility. And I do also think that the reason why there are so many, like 300 features, is obviously because not all of them will survive. Um,
Right.
so there will be, a lot of whale sharks that won't survive, but the ones that are surviving, I could imagine that it is like that. But
Yeah.
it's hard to prove because we don't know where and we don't know where to look. So I know that one of our researchers, so Jonathan, did had the pleasure in I believe 2017 or 2016 to go down with the BBC with the submarine. And actually we're
Mhm.
looking around Darwin because you have different kind of platforms going down. So it's not straight down. You have different platforms where you could use it. But they
Mhm.
didn't find it. They went down, I think, twice or so. But I mean, it's like, looking for the needle in the haystack, right? So
Right.
where do you start looking? And yeah, we would love to do more of those research, but obviously you can imagine how much funding you would need to get a submarine and to get a submarine
Right.
constantly down and to look, because it will be in places where we as humans can't dive to, because everywhere where we can dive, most of the sharks will be around. And I don't think they will give birth there because it would be, as I said, just a delicious snack on the way for every other shark